Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rachelle, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to make strip lashes into individual lashes. Now, as you guys see, or if you could tell, if I bend it down, it's really undetectable. It's a cheap way to get individual lashes. If you don't have the time and patience to do beauty supply store or extensions, this is the easiest way. So if you want something similar to this look, or you want to learn how to do individual lashes from strip lashes, I suggest you keep watching this video. Bye. Okay guys, here's everything that you will need. You will need a spoolie or something to brush out your lashes. You'll need some type of eyelash glue or hair glue. You'll need some mascara. You will need a fresh pair of lashes, or you can use old lashes like I did in the video. You'll need some scissors, and you'll also need tweezers. Now, I showed you the first pair of lashes, but I'm just going to take some old pairs of lashes that I don't have like the other match to, and I'm just going to cut them up in little clusters, enough to make them close enough to individuals. So what you see me doing now is just cutting them all up into little pieces. Now what you will need is something with a hard cover. I'm using the eyelash case that's plastic. So you need something to put your glue on. So what I'm going to do is take a dime size amount of glue and put it on the plastic. Now here I'll put a little bit too much because you need to be able to apply as you go and not let the glue dry out. But now I'm just brushing out my natural lashes, and I'm preparing them to install the individual clusters. Now I'm just going to take one little cluster and I'm going to dip it slightly into the glue, as you see now. You only want a little bit, and then you just want to blow that until it's a little bit tacky. Now what you're going to do is apply the lash underneath your lashes. Now you can either do it on top of it or below it like I am. I just find that below it makes it for a more natural look. I've never tried it on top, but you can do that as well. I know people have done that before, but I just think it looks more natural when I apply the lashes underneath my natural lash line. So now I'm just repeating the process again. You want to start from the outer corner going into the inner corner, and then you're just gonna put them right next to each other. Make sure there's no spaces, and you just want to press it into your lash line. Now you're gonna see me do the entire process over and over again until I get my desired fullness of my lashes. And just keep in mind, when you get towards the front of your lashes, like to the inner corner, you can make them shorter or you can keep it the same length. It's really your personal preference. Me, I did different lengths and slightly different size clusters. I wanted my lashes in the front, like towards the inner corner, to be slightly shorter, but you can do everything one length. Like you can make it as full as you want, as sparse as you want. It's really your preference, like I said before. So I'm just gonna continue doing this all the way till it's finished. And also at the end, you can just fill in wherever you need to. So don't be so focused on making sure they're so close together, because if you need to fill them in, you'll be able to do that at the end. Okay, Okay, this part I slowed down for you guys just for you to see how I push it in to my lash line. Like, I really want it to stay and make sure that it's in its place and that it won't move. So I'm just pressing it in as it dries at the same time and making sure it's at the same spot that I need it to be. Now after you finish filling in what you needed to and everything is pretty much dry, you can take your spoolie and just brush them out, make sure nothing is coming out. Also, you can fan it to make sure it's really dry. So right now all you see me doing is fixing them, lifting them to make sure that they're how they need to be. And then I'm just going to get started on my next eye. Okay guys, I finished both sides of my lashes. I'm just combing them out to make sure they're fluffy, making sure there's no extra glue on the lashes, and making sure they're all blended with my natural lashes as well. But it turned out really, really good. Okay guys, so this is the end result of my lashes. Look at them, look at them. I just keep, you know, combing them out, making sure everything is good, everything is great, and I like them. They're pretty similar. I probably next time will use an actual like full pack, like you know, a pair, then it will have the same length all around next time. But I like how these turned out. If you guys like them, give this video a thumbs up. It's the disrespect for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for another piece of K. See you guys in the next video. Mikaylah Rachelle is out.